Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many Steam users face, the dreaded Steam controller not detecting or working properly. But fear not, because I've got the solution for you. So, the first step is to ensure that your controller is actually functioning properly. Plug your controller into your PC. Then, search on your Windows for Set up USB Game Controllers option. Here, you should see your controller listed. If it's not showing up, try reconnecting it. Once you see your controller listed, click on Properties and test the buttons to ensure they're responding. As you can see, my controller is working just fine. If yours isn't, don't worry, we'll tackle that next. Head over to Steam app. And then click on top left Steam button. The select Settings. Then, navigate to Controller Settings. And then enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers. Here, your controller should be detected. If your controller still isn't working in-game, make sure to enable the proper configuration. If you have a PlayStation controller, select PlayStation, and if you have an Xbox controller, select Xbox. Once that's done, close the settings, and let's move on to the final step. Start up your game from the Big Picture mode. Simply click on Big Picture mode in the top right corner of Steam. From here, navigate to your game using your controller. If you're able to navigate using your controller, that's a good sign. Simply select your game and hit play. Your controller should now work seamlessly. And there you have it. Your Steam controller should now be detecting and working perfectly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content.